Prague at 6 a.m. Good morning, my fellow subscribers. What a beautiful morning. 6 o'clock on a Sunday morning in Czech. There's a lot of activity here. Now, what we're planning to do and what we're hoping for. It was raining last night. We're heading towards the Charles Bridge. We're hoping for, see, you can see the light kind of reflecting off the water. It was raining last night. And there's reports of fog, which should be around the river. So we're heading to Charles Bridge. It's my last day here in Prague. Well, technically tomorrow, but I'm leaving early enough. So I'm hoping the lights are still on the bridge. There's nobody around. And we get the old camera out and we get some nice, lovely shots. So come with me to hopefully take some epic shots of the bridge. Market Square. Looking beautiful. We're hoping to do that tower later on, the power. And then there's street bros or street burgers I want to try out. And then I'm gonna go back and chill. I should have loads of steps done by then. Loads of content. I don't know if you can see it, there's a beautiful courtyard there with the lights. So this side of the tower is not lit up, but maybe the other side is. It's 6 o'clock, half 6 in the morning, people. These all should be in bed, like, come on. Now I'm seeing this couple bringing a suitcase. So maybe they might be doing some cool photography. I'll lend my hand if I can. We'll see. But yeah, even the church. I think I done it wrong. It should be night time. Because even the lights on the church are gone. But there's no atmosphere here this morning. Maybe the other side might be lit up, or we can just double exposure or something like that. But we want an empty bridge, which we've almost got. Now I have the 240mm, which I want to use, which will give that compression. So, and I have about 2 hours of darkness, so plenty of time to play around. Yeah, this side of the bridge isn't lit. I thought it would have been. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's probably 7 people on this bridge right now, compared to probably about 200. So there's the scene, and there's me camera. We want to low down to the ground because you can see the reflective surface here along the ground, and then the lights. It's they're not working out too good, but I'm doing it bit by bit. I'm walking further down and zooming in to get that compression, to get the lights closer and closer. Some of them are a bit off, as the gorilla pod is a bit awkward to get a balance on, but then once you get it, like, you know, it turns out well. So we're coming down a few more steps, hopefully getting a little set of lights in, and then try again. It's all about a helping community. So I seen this gentleman here was doing some long exposures, and he was getting some good shots, and he said he'd love a person with an umbrella in the middle. So he asked this kind lady, she stood there, took a few shots, and just taking some more now. And then, yeah, I threw in a light into the umbrella as well, so hopefully you got some great shots there. We are hoping to go up that building later on today. Let's see if I can, there we go. There we go, I'm going to go up there later on and get a 360 view of this whole area. Should be interesting. I'm trying to stay out of people's phones. fall. Right, we're good, we're good, we're good. Don't mind me. Breakfast over there. It's a full 360. Breakfast over there. That's the 360. Right. Whew. So we're on top of the tower here now. And lots of stairs, lots of spires. Not really wheelchair accessible. Although there is an elevator there, but to get to that point you need to go up on steps, so not sure how that works. But the views from here are just, as you see in there, savage. This place is so cool, and the red rooftops really make it as well. Beautiful. So I was like second or third up there. Yeah, it gets tight very fast. It's narrow enough, like, well, not too narrow because I can fit in there. But yeah, like I was only up there for like 3 minutes, done a 360, and then there was a lot of people there kind of weaving in and out, so get up early if you can. There is, as well, the stairs that are stoplights as well, so you might be waiting a few minutes as well. There might be a queue here. So, nice and early, 10 o'clock it opens it. I don't know about the ending, it might be the same, but you'll get the beautiful light, so it might be more packed. But yeah, it was worth it. I was only here for a quick visit. I got my footage, I'm happy. Let's go to the next thing. I was probably actually waiting outside longer in the queue than I was actually up in the top of the tower. So, was it worth it? You know, the views and all that, and the nostalgia. €10. Now, there's a bit more as well. You can do history tours and all this stuff and spend a bit more time here. Me, I'm in a bit of a rush, so just popping on to the next thing. There we go, finished at 25 minutes.